No, this is great. Amazing entry. But this is we get this question so much. It's like when we buy things that have a sick day, I almost get fucking anxiety about the next day because everyone's like, oh my God, where's my stop? Oh my God, everyone's so worried about giving back the profit. And that's exactly what happened here. This thing pulled back to yesterday's high of day and he sold it. Like, how can you expect to be a part of the macro move if you can't give something a fucking cent, from where it closed. So you got to keep that stop if you want the macro move. But he'll learn from that. But yeah, he just moved the stop way too far up too quickly. But I mean, he made money. So I mean,
yeah, and that's something where his target was exactly where it went to. KNB has just been flagging in this range for the better part of almost a year and a half now.
Right.
So the fact that he saw that now, next time in the back of his mind when he does get that support buy, it's gonna be like, well, that KNB worked. Let me give this one a little bit more space, and then he's going to give it space, and go back to break even, and he's going to want to change the rules again. But eventually, in time, those will all stick.
Yeah.